Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Asante wakamadlala ntokazi yasemsinga. I just woke up ngawasha ubuso ngemsebenzini namhlanje isikhathi of 7. So I've been craving iparish. Ngizolenza ke manje because amanzi awashisi kakhulu. I just washed my face but ngizofaka serum. I'm just realizing ukuthi serum yami iphelile and serum yami was 700 million. So ngifuna ukubeka amanzi and then ngiqhubeke with my skincare libe parishi legxaba. I can't remember the last time ngenze iparish because ngilidla ngewinter. So yeah, benzini kambe ngizwile kuthiwa benikhuluma even eback nithi dry face way. Azangiwenza iparish niyeke ukungihleba. Qhubekani ngibhale ku Facebook nithi ngino kuso ku dry.
Hello. Qhubeka nisibhale ku Facebook. Enjoy.
Qhubeka nisibhale ku Facebook. Enjoy. So amanzi amasebelile and uthi angiphuza iti ngalamanzi but smele ngiyogeza. Because if iti ngiphuza before ngigeza yenza into enjalo. But I can drink tea. So ukubanda sekuqalile guys. So umuntu usiyadecide ukuthi I can, but I just had to confirm to my cousin. But I can.
You do not have enough airtime to make you.
I need to think I'm just buying airtime. By prepaid mobile. Hey, but the man I keep it for me for that. Ngintshele or ngangitsheli. Yeah, let me save this money. Because ngena ngalindela so I always save this money. Manje soku 2 point something. I always save it. Then not December. Ngithenga umsolo impahla zakhe ismuzi. Ngifuna ngihambe airtime. Guys, did you enjoy my previous vlog? I hope you did. And don't cry. Okay guys, thank you so much for the compliments. I heard because I didn't look like Sarafina. Pela, I was stressed. Oh. It's stressed the same lunch. It's how my 50 rand. Yes guys, 50 rand is time I say it's like number I come and tell something it's 50 rand. Yeah, it's 50 rand. Like 50 rand you think. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
What's up with the salad?
Yeah, I'm talking
Yeah, it's not on the angitshela phela. Ngiyenza kanjani ngamparishi?
Hayi bo basebotha into yajabula bamazali.
Yabuka uzokuthatha ngenzeni. Ngibeka amanzi ngawafaka la ebhodweni. Aba ngangawophuthi yini? But ebhodweni elincane, ebhodweni.
Abamancane nje plus wethu. Banga nje inkomishi mhlawumbe ophuza ngayiti. Awuphuza kanjani wethu?
Wesenze uzongithethisa noma uzongitshela ngenze njani? Amanzi. And then impuphu le ngihlanganisa namanzi eceleni.
Hayi impuphu ibancane ngifela ngathi ngakelela ngani mhlawumbe ingaba ilokhu njalo.
Wafa inkomishi.
Inkomishi bese ufaka amanzi yagoqoza. Uzobona ukushuba kwalo ke nawe lokhu yabuthela kancane amanzi.
Okay, girl. Bengazi, but I just wanted to confirm. Ngiyazala ngiyabonga. Awuphela iqalile isizini yama-parish.
Yazi ukuthi bahamba ugesi mfethu ngathi nje ngaphinda ngathi phepha password.
Hawu Hlanzeka.
Ngiyakutshela ibo kanjani ibo. Manje phela vele mina. Ngaphinda ngathena ngizenzele phela kuyazwa ngathi.
Hlanzeka yake indaba yakho kutshela mina ngiyakudinga la uzongifika i-parish.
Phela i-parish uthanda uma ngabe ukujwayela uma usuka
Ayivumi leyo nto enesidina ayivumi liyajovana. Angizuyijwayeza. Nokuthi yabo mina yabo khumula mina nawe ukuthi kwashaya u10 sibe salile. Ngizama ukwenza leyo nto. Kwashaya nje u10. Sokuyisemini. Usemakhaya noma usemphitho? Okay, ngiyel. Awu ngiyenza iparish and ngisayemsebenzini.
Wazwalethe manje kube iboss.
Hawu ngo 7:30 Hlanzeka.
Usasothi iparish mfethu uxapha njengoba yenzani kanjena nje.
Uma ukuthi ngiyarekhoda kahle abantu bayezwa ukuthi wena uthi ngenza kancane.
Hayi phela ngempethu wami kodwa hayi wena ungarekhoda ngoba urekhoda kwasami. Hayi ngisho.
Uyavlog abakuhleki.
Yeah?
Kuyavlog abakuhleki lelo Saddam.
Awufanele sento ngimachapha chapha. Hayi ngeke.
Ufike esitolo nasesitolo ufuna ukushutha. Awu sento wenza lapha. Nasilapha sekufike noSaddam ke nakhona still uyabaleka.
Abakaze ngibu.
Bengacabangi nothi ngizokuthola yazi bengilahlela nje.
Yeah?
Bengacabangi nothi ngizokuthola bengilahlela.
Shwaqa umlomo kuyabanda manje.
Ebulala leyo nkukhu man.
Edake lapha impuphu bye.
Sure.
Sure.
Unjani? That was my cousin, Hlanzeka. Abanye bayamazi from my previous vlogs. Wait, from my previous vlogs, just in Buile manje. And then I'm a vlog Mama Dala. If you can check my old vlogs. I guess I used to stay with her or what, but I guess the thing is I know that I have to stir until I lose my arm. Because I'm finna share selihlangene seligqabha. Uma kaphila ugoga phila namazi athi liyagqabha gqabhile philana. Niyamazi? I think ngiphila TikTok account I mean. But guys, ngicela ukunitshela ukuthi I got, but this man that I'm dating, trust them. Trust again. Wait, in front of which challenge, I'm gonna do a vlog, and I'm not gonna include him. I'm not gonna talk about him, and I'm not gonna add him on the vlog. So when I visit him, I'm not gonna shoot anything. I'm gonna try and do that. But if it's a good date, it's just a little date. I'm giving an idea better. But ngizomzwisa ivideo mase ngizwisa mina mase ngintshengisa iresponse yakhe kunevideo la TikTok engasithishela thick. Does it have to be thick first kanje ngifundele ngilalise le VN ngiqala nge-VN yami. Then like a video, and then I'll show you Tanya's response. Yo baby, namhlanje kuyabanda and ngicobekile ngicama ukulala manje. Ngize ngifike kusasa ekuseni ngabo 11. So ngizoba online kusasa ekuseni sokhuluma kusasa ngabo 11 or 12 because ngiyadala.
Okay baby, ulale kahle. Kuyabanda pana. Kuyabanda ngempela. Tshela.
and then wathi good night kodwa kaze kwa early before bed.
Ungalingi ulenze iphutha lokucabanga ukuthi njengoba ulele wedwa lapho nomuntu wakhulele yedwa.
Wow, ngisho njalo.
Listen properly.
Baby, yazi namhlanje ngiyabanda. Yento ngicobekile nje ngicabanga ukulala. So khuluma kusasa ngoba manje ngiyalala. Ngizobe ngivuke ekuseni ngabo 11.
I literally said the same thing, but because he doesn't know this video and maybe I'm temp. The only thing he said was because I elbow for birthday because we go 10 phela kodwa nje ukuthi ngizovuka ngo11 akabona manje. So that's why I'm a prank as a boy, and he hates pranks, guys. Like he keeps on begging me because you all gonna comments and I say please prank Daya. We are gonna allow my comments especially please don't prank me. I really hate a prank, especially our extreme guys come to nivusa ngamanzi yo akafuni kakhulu lawo because uthi like nama ngiwathandela and nje sesikhuluma ngawo uyasho ukuthi usuke uthi wenzani mfethu because usuzowasha umbhede manje just for views, usuzokomisa umbhede manje ngoba umbhede usuthele ngamanzi lese ulukile hairstyle entsha sekumele uqala phansi geza ikhanda dayi futhi anjani yabo. So ngizobona ukuthi ngimfrank kanjani. Let's go take a shower then come back to the storage. Kumele ngilenzile lokho nje ngakutshela kulo. Bazongijaja vele chaba ngishilo vele ngafanele ukhaze nami ngasinhlanje into ezingenzi njalo. So bazojaja nje. Ngibeda ama-cheese.
So high, I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high. You get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high. You get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. 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 You get me so high.
Ilona. And into engithanda ukuthi sengumuntu omdala sengiyakwazi ukwenza iparish ngifaka ubuso la emanzi ngifaka ubuso lempuphu uboza ngithethe isuphu manda.
You got me so turned up. You still gotta be so high. Weed always on my mind. No, he always on my mind. Don't ya? Know you want some of this purr. You ain't gotta say a word. Just walk that, let's get burned. Then we'll roll up 100 bucket nuts. All up in my mouth now. All up in yo. This nigga got pounds of it. All up in his truck. Now we both look Asian. He waving and I'm drunk. I got dank shit in my cup. You know what I'ma do to you? I could give reviews to you. Slow, we X, and we sipping on that juice. That's just what she choose to do. Slow, we come fast. Speeding up the heartbeat, banging in the chest. When you put it on me, you relieve my stress. You got me so high, taking deep breaths. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high.
Thank you.
Yes, good.
POV.
Hey, can I get back for you?
But I can't tell where your hand ends and mine begins. If only wish you could feel me, you could call me. One bedroom, right where your heart is. Each space feels broken hearted. Cross the battlefield, way too far.
Hi, my family. Morning. Let's go to work. But first, let me show you something. So, guys, I bought 2 perfumes from one of my loyal, one of my loyal customers. From one of my loyal clients or customers, a salon. Uqala ukuluka ke ngo 2023 ngisalukela eMaboneng eJewel City. Then ngathi mase ngibona ukuthi uzedayisa ama perfume ngathi Gamia, I want them. Yeah, so and I also love supporting black businesses, black women, everything. And ngabe ngiyaka ngamsupporta because yena ungisupporta down. Then ngathi ngiphuma u2. Ngithe ngicela ngisuggested ngimtshela ukuthi ngifuna kanjani, I want something sweet. Yeah. Floral. So ngathenga lawa awu2. Nayo kuqala. Anike niyadzenga ngingizizwe. It smells nice, but it's not strong. Ngiyayizwa ukuthi ayikho strong, but it smells nice. Okay, and then this one. Ifeli yami ke le. Uyazi le perfume guys, so vele bese ngisprayile. Judge me. Okay, thanks. Bese ngisprayile le. And then le bengakayigethi kahle ukuthi ingakliphiside. But manje sengiyayigetha le inobu fresh, yabo. So I like this one more. And angazi ukuthi nginukela njengayi perfume. Angazi nginukela nje perfume, but I've had a perfume enwa kanje before, so it smells like me. It smells like me. Yeah, I love this one more. Le ngizobe ngifaka everyday. Le ngizobe ngifaka nje, yabo. It's not gonna be my everyday perfume, or I'll just give it away. Imali yami phela. How? Yes, thanks. Then this one is my favorite, and I'm gonna buy a bigger bottle because I love it. Yeah, izolo ngihambile ngaye emoli. Ngathenga ngisebhuta iskipha sebafana bafana. Ngampromise ukuthi make bathi 21 without a baby. Ngizokwenza something cute, something nice, and usena 21. Ngicabanga ukuthi mina 21, mina ngina 26 uzobe sengi-rich. Ngimenzele nje isithwahla sephansi. Or I don't know. But okay, ngamthengela ilo iskipha. I'm gonna buy him perfume as well. Then ngimuphi imali. I-right leyo nto leyo. Yeah. So ngimsela isikipha sebhola, ngimsela perfume, bese ngimuphi imali. Yeah. Ngiyakucisha ndawo. And azange ngimtshela ukuthi ngizomenzela into engakanani. And I know ukuthi uya-appreciate, so lokho enginako nje uzokuthatha. Yeah, namhlanje ngiyendaweni zomnyama with my man. So siya eCosmopolitan namhlanje. Because kumnandi guys, kulithe cause kulithe ngathenga nejezi zona ngikhombisa mase ngigqokile. Saturday ngizoya emsebenzini, and then I have to attend discipline and paint a child. And then Sunday I even there are Crocs. That's why I was saying I'm a Crocs that day. Yeah, so mailing was I allow my Crocs lawo. And then Monday, yes, I was expecting my pedestals namhlanje. And then not slow put my pedestals azofika Monday because of the weather enda umanga. Then ngathi job Monday kodwa ngiyafuna. And then what else? Ribereka Joan. Yeah, let's go to work, guys. I read my so qali lobusika, qali liyaqila. Khona guys isiteke ngisithanda esinye. Sithini? I love it. I think ngiphila TikTok ekhanda. Ngiphila but ngiyathanda sastika lesiya. Let's down. Hi guys, ninjani? Guys, I'm about to leave and ngiyobona umfana. Yes guys, my boyfriend has this thing of but you guys know him. He's like that vele. But he just likes dressing up for no reason. Namhlanje ubesendlini. Mawukuthi ubesebenza studio endlini. But mangifika ngifica umuntu ufaka uthayi, ufaka ujini, ufake nje uswenkile ngendlela ukuthi mangifike ngizothi oh, you look good yabo. And then nami sekuyangiphoqa mina useze ngifika ngifakeni for ama tracksuit. Ngifake ama tracksuit kusebusuku. Isebusuku da. So nami angiyindawo lengubo ngiyigqokela mangihape nje ngihamba ngiswenkile ukuthi aningiboni guys. I look for a picture ngifake lengubo because I want to ibile ngubo le ngubo emekuswenka le ngifake icathule ezimeshayo nje ngile honto yabo. Why? Because I'm trying to impress him because he's like that vele yabo umuntu may practice something now ugcina so adapter to leyo nto le yakayenzayo. So nami leyo nto njalo nje mangiyakuyena ngiba ne anxiety ukuthi how mawuthi ngiyibuke do I look good because ngiyazi ngizomfica eswenke ngisho kusufa ama tracksuit okuswenka ama tracksuit nje akwelinye izinga. I like it. I think I love him. I'm not sure. So let's go. Vele ngingivlogele khona but ngiyamthanda. Ngizonibona kwi-clip elandelayo. Let me see how I look. Yeah. Hi guys, ninjani? Sise Kruger stop. Angazi isigubhu kodwa sikude. Sidrivile size ku-event kaNative Child. Angeke ngisho khona into kumele ngabe ngiyisho manje angeke ngisho because ngibona ivideo ku TikTok ukuthi thina we glamorize lento le. So I'm not gonna say it. You can guess if you want. It's up to you. I'm with my friend Nombuso. Asesifake brownie, coffee, nude, nje. Chomza lento kuthi yeah, so I'm just then on my phone. Let's go guys. I'm wearing a coat because shisa kuyabanda ngazochaza kanjani ngempela. Icoat ngisho emotweni. Ngeke the coat yenza le outfit but it's hot kunelanga. Kodwa kuyabanda. Ngazokuchazela kanjani mpembu. Kunelanga kodwa kuyabanda. Hlangene nje konke. Let's go guys. Because we are that thing. Yes. Okay. Where? Oh, okay. Let's go, guys. Really nice. I've been here before last year. That's in the hospital. Hypo. Crazy. I was wearing the same shoes. That's crazy. Okay, thank you. Siyabonga. Nangifake lezi casual ngisho ngayigqoka. Ngishiye emuntweni. Nginalo vele ke leli bhadi ke leli. Into zami.
It's fine, it's okay. You can use the. So this part is actually where you mix the colors.
Oh!
Yeah, so you put this, yeah. But it's fine, you've already done it, so it's okay.
Where do I begin? Stop running. Feels like a mountain.
Why so many colors?
That's what you used to do. Because you can't use it from.
Yes.
Bella Fiasco. Hey, Century.
You guys are like that.
I can see your star shining down on me.
Like all of
If
it.
like you order one ski for Ava.
Yeah.
This is you.
So I feel like you would there's something that you discount.
Love your craft.
Thank you.
Give her to that time I
great.
ordered in the
You can do better, hey?
I can do better. Unfortunately, my dear, when it comes to art,
You are literally expressing yourself, right?
that's the expression, and so you can't dictate to me how I can express.
I get it now. Ubando bumdebo yelo.
Huh?
Ubando bumdebo yelo.
Umntwana.
Right?
Start with Azande and Nombuso. Tom, so ungangishayi Tom. Honest reaction, Azande. Wena lo?
Akumina Chumlona.
Chomina, but uzami.
Uzamele. Okay, and then yini le ndizayo, yini le ndizayo. Le green.
Tell us the personality.
Aura.
I was trying to say, Yaktana Chom.
Okay. Can I rate it?
I love you so much. I love you, Chom. When you're rating it, was deep down, I love you.
5 out of 10 too.
Thank you, Chom.
Yeah, 5 out of 10. I'm just like,
Okay, now it's time for you to see. Thank you so much.
you rate out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Oh, no.
Doing in Kippy. Right.
Okay, I see. But
That's China, Malavina. I can't even see the end. For the aura.
Very dark and old.
That's what meant. No, but it's not bad, guys. It's not bad. Yeah, but within Pumulians, even no, it was not.
No, she just saw through temple.
Oh, is that the hair that he has? It's not bad, guys.
Yeah,
How did you never want a hair temple? She has aura. More than anything.
Melanin way.
Can I look now?
Melanin way.
Right. Yeah. Oh, she got the eyes right, so. Yeah, go now.
And you have a big personality, Tony. You have a big personality.
Because of the hair.
Yes.
I'm gonna give this a 7.
You are kind.
Too kind.
Hi, Bo. Hi, Bo.
Hindi kayo pasalusa, man. Gag is a trend.
That is a trend.
Hi, gag.
Why emotional?
Let's give him space,
Stunning. What 20 out of 10?
Yeah, you can do it.
Three, two, one, I guess.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Number 3 is that one.
Accessible.
My work.
Your wife, Tony. You know what?
And then number 2 is this one.
Yes.
My work, everybody.
Number 2 is number 1.
And then
She's number 1, man.
She said number 2.
one is this one.
Well, nay.
Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate the energy.
Thank you. We just wanted to do something different, just something, you know, it's always nice to put, you know, do something creative or go into nature.
Blame it on your measurements. Shut the shit down on sight. That's right.
that means let's go to an event. Siagui Magical Marble Festival. I think so. So, as the colleagues got the because I'm sure to see la pajama 1:30 something. But it's been so guys, I'm a ticket driver. Futhi kube bengihamba nombuso shem bengizokhala because nje bekunesibinyaminya sesaloon yabo dedide nama client bakudide ama client ke mina vele khanda lami sangani but ngizonikombisa manje sengirelaxile because sesiyafika kodwa la angazi kusesikuphi. We guys, so mangabe usifika la for the event first park imoto kan underground parking and then ukhokhele i-shuttle izosithatha i-shuttle izosisa to the event. So the Crocs lady will be the OCB, so you'll be transported by Mercedes. Just like because of a man can't pass a Mercedes. Because I'm going to take that. It's okay. And I'm going to send me to see motors every 30 minutes. But still, come down, say it's 100 pass, go my 100 pass again, and feel I want to pass. Oh, if I see what the class is from Mercedes Chom, right? Yeah. But okay, we're not in the mood because we are hungry. This place is very nice. It's very nice. There's a coffee station and then no, you Sophie Angela Second. Silambe but guys, we are so hungry. On top of that, Silu Chepis. I think. Sizama ukuze check Instagram yas lo event yakhona guys sesifile ku buses nebo and then I have to walk to the venue. Oh siyabonga abantu just don't look walk ngiyadlala I can hear the sun kade nginestress ukuthi hayibo nje siphakathi kwemizi nje silungwini sizoyithola kodwa indawo but singayizisana singiyabona namabhodi baba to have fun cela ingane kodwa but event yengane
Too much.
maybe next year we'll come with the kids, right?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, and they really promoted this event and I was not even interested sana. And
Even
so
on the radio they were talking about it.
yes, that's when Sizwe khona I playlist is no chom because I playlist man ini ilist ama artists azobe khona besho zinqomalo ngathi oh okay kuzoba mnandi phela asambeni abantu esibaziyo babala imikhasa anele mdoda anzinqomalo the rest asibathi bithu
And
asambeni kodwa
we are here.
yebo guys ngoba information besingenayo kahle singene kwi shuttle wrong. Yes bekama messages amancane ngempela ngene something now but it's fine. It's okay, and we're not even supposed to buy the tickets, but we bought them. But it's fine. It's fine, right?
Of course. Anything for you. We love the dome. Yes, keep. You. I'm full one. Anything for you.
Finally, we are in. Oh, this was a mission, guys. Yo, lapho lendla sesisakhola sisinambile. Abanga guys, ukuphuma cricket sila. Well, akubona phela vele cricket, but ifani yenzeka singasiphi.
Stroke it for me. Stroke it, baby. Stroke it, baby. Feels like
Well guys, this is quite delicious nje but sekuqale yala manje nje
Angel be falling, angel be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Feel like I get you. And I swear it feel like I get you. Will you ever know you don't know my name? And when we're making love, you don't know my name. Your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. You don't know my name. Everything I need between those that every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
I'll take some time just to be thankful. And I had days full of you. Before
We won't make that one mistake of living out.
Don't you love when I come around? Nobody tells you
guys, yaphela kanjalo i-event. It was so nice. Chum, enjoy? Me too. It was so fun. Crocs phinde sibize futhi Jom sibize. We've come to the end of our vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys. I'm gonna vlog like. Right, bye guys. Seshekibela ibhasi uzothatha isizelo indaba ye-messages ukukhipha isasebhasini yokubeka kwi-event so ibhasi lisisale so vele yeah i-messages ilapha isisale izokubeka la that's it fun bye.